Hannah, come here. I have a surprise for you.
Okay. What is it?
We have a surprise delivery today.
Is that what I think it is?
Yes.
Oh
Let's
my
open it up and check it out.
Let's unbox it.
This is our first time seeing our new book in final copy.
This is awesome, you guys.
Wow. Look at this. This looks amazing.
Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm an author now. That's so cool.
Our book looks amazing and we're so excited. 25 money-making business ideas for kids and teens, now live on Amazon worldwide.
And we got 5-star reviews so far.
That's right. And we have lots of copies now locally, so we'll be sharing the locations that'll be carrying our book here in Sault Ste. Marie.
There's so much more just in this package.
I know. So make sure to visit our website, www.youthbiz.ca, to find out more about where you can pick up your own copy here in Sault Ste. Marie, or visit amazon.ca or .com and check it out online. Have a great day.
Bye, like and subscribe.
Bye.